What else can I do with a linear sequence? Well, in real life, if you decided to start saving and put €7 into your account on week 1, and a week later you're going to try and put 9 in, and the following week you're going to try and put 11 in, and the following week you're going to try and put 13 in, and so on. Something that we often do is, well, we've talked about this, how much money will I be putting in on my 40th week? So that's where I try and find the 40th term. But I could also try and figure out that after 40 weeks of saving, how much money will I have altogether? So that's not asking me for the 40th term, that's asking me to sum up my 40 terms. So I wonder what the 40th term is. Maybe you could figure that out. Or sometimes they'll tell you, oh, the last amount of money I put in was €27. In what week did that happen in? And you'd have to find N, the nth, whatever that is in that situation. But if you want to sum up your linear sequence, again, because linear and arithmetic are in your log tables, you can just go to your log tables and get your summing up formula. Now, I guess just be careful that you know what you're doing in each question. So you'll just fill it in. N is, if it was 40, like I said there, how much money will I have altogether in my 40 by my 40th week? It'd be 40 over 2 times whatever your first term is, plus 40 minus 1 times my common difference. So in terms of money, you might want to sum up some money. I've seen some stupid trying to make it real life questions where, let's just say, it wasn't exactly like this, so at least this would make sense. You might start here in football training and you do a shuttle run of 5 meters and back to the line. And then there'll be another cone at maybe 7 meters and you run back, and another cone at 9 meters and back, and so on. And they could ask you to maybe sum up how much did the person run in total during training. So it's up to you as to how you might approach that. Let's say that's 5 meters out, that's 7 meters out, that's 9 meters out. You could get, I know this is a really short question, but if they lengthened it out, you could obviously adapt the 5 plus the 7 plus the 9, get your answer and double it. Or sometimes it's easier to just take a shuttle run as out and back, which would be 10 meters. Out and back, that would be 14. Out and back, that would be 18. And you can still see it's linear. It just might be easier to do it in one go rather than do this and then double it. So you'll just fill in your formula to sum up your sequence. And the main thing is that you know how many terms in your sequence that you want to sum up. The other thing that they can do is they can give you